Remove the rotary ignition module attached to the control panel and use the battery-controlled igniter to mark the opening needed in the control panel. Opening the hole with a grinder, drill bit, or a roto-zip will work, but can be difficult and time-consuming. Once the hole matches the module threading diameter, install from the back of the control panel. The button covers the edges of the hole that may be sloppy. Attach electrode wires direct to the back of the module and install. With a piezo push-button ignition on this DCS grill, we remove the igniter from behind the controls. This pyramid drill bit is the best way to make or enlarge a hole. These bits work clean and fast. Notice the stainless is red with heat and is smoking. Here, we're even using a battery-controlled drill. Once the hole is large enough, insert the threaded section behind and install the nut and button cover before testing the module for sparks.